How to convert image to PDF file in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, tap on New after opening Google Drive, then go to File Upload, then simply upload a picture like this, any picture, and once it is downloaded, go over there and then all you have to do is open that picture using docs. So let me show you over here like this and tap on the three dot, then go to open with, then select Google Docs. Now open the JPG file as a docs file. Now go to file, then save it as your PDF by going to download, then select PDF document and done. Now this is converted into PDF, so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.